Winterberry holly is our only native deciduous holly. In the late summer, berries form on the bush, which are in clusters. As fall progresses, the color of the winterberry turns to a red foliage which soon drops, leaving nothing but red berries on the stems of the winterberry. As the berries ripen during the winter, they turn darker, still clinging to the plant. And when the snows are just deepest, that is usually when the winterberry holly is ready for birds to eat. It stands out above the heavy, deep snows that occur in the northeast. The winterberry holly is usually found in wetland soils. It's a very easy to grow bush. It grows to about 10 feet high depending upon the cultivar, and is also moderately deer resistant, offering you an affordable way to feed birds in the late winter.